All right, so my dude, I feel like a genius, but I think your problem is way simpler than I thought it was. All right, check this out. This is a contactor, okay? And it is like a relay. You got your 240 going in, your 240 coming out, and you have this little plunger here, just like a relay. That's the click. And then just like the relay, that's like your 87 and your common. I think that's what makes the relay go. All right, so I rigged up this little device right here. All this is 120 power to a transformer. And that's basically what's in your attic. So I'm going to simulate your thermostat coming on by hooking these up and turning my switch on. I was really hoping this was bad, but it clicks in fine. It clicks, but does it have continuity? Let's check our meter. It does. You hear the beep? So chances are this was just fine, and then it dawned on me. You know what? You have an overflow switch in your attic. And what that does is it basically breaks the connection from this guy, so your fan and everything doesn't continue to run. Because if it did, it would ruin your ceiling. All that water would, when the fan fills up, it opens a float switch, and then you have no more compressor outside. So if it doesn't work, maybe, oh yeah, here's another thing too. Let me see if I can grab a pair of pliers and pull this thing out. All right, so come in close right here. So you have little contacts. If I can pull this guy out. I'll just see if I can flip him over. It doesn't matter. Okay, cool, this works. So you have little contacts, patches right there. You see how that's all scratchy? Basically, every time this plunger goes down, there's a micro spark that happens between here. If you've ever held a light switch like halfway and it starts to crackle, that's the electrical arc. And a lot of times, these are consumables. They're like 12 bucks. After a while, it'll sit there and it might close, but it doesn't bring them down tight together. These actually don't look so bad, and the continuity test proves it. And then the coil was actually clicking in the way it was supposed to, like this. So I think this may be a simple, your overflow plan in your attic is stopped up. Let's hope that's what it was. If this doesn't fix it, run up there real quick, and you can save yourself a little bit of cash and buy Jackie some more SRT4 parts. My dude.